finger. I'm holding the feather with my pointer. I'm going to wrap once. Wrap once. And we're now on side 3. Wrap once. The feathers should all be at the same height. This is wire, so the feathers should all be at the same height. So this one turned. Something turned here. Yeah. So now I'm going to come in with my shorter feather. And the third side. And then I'm going to add the thread because I've run out of wire. So here's the back. It's going to be the back. I'm coming back in with my shorter feather. So 3 wraps, 2, 3, and then lock. And not lock, I'm just slipping this through. And my longer feather. 1, 2, 3, and lock. Cover that with floral tape. So you can see the back is here. Look at this one, the feathers, the back is here. When they're put into the kahili, they're gonna go back to back.